Hey learners, welcome to Tuning Lives. Welcome to Science Clarity Formula course. Can you convert iron into a magnet? What is the connection between electricity and magnetism? What is the magnetic effect of electric current? In this video, you are going to learn about electromagnets, and this you will learn by performing experiment. Let's make your own electromagnet. In this activity, you will convert an iron nail into a powerful magnet using electric current. I'm sure you must be super excited to perform this activity. Take out this material from your kit. You need a battery, sandpaper, wires, all pin, plug key or switch, petri plate or bowl, copper wire and iron nail. Step 1 is you have to clean end insulation of copper wire using sandpaper. It is important to remove insulation of copper wire, otherwise it will not conduct current. Now wind copper wire tightly around the nail to form a coil. So now you can see the insulation is clean, that's why you can see the shiny wire, and the copper wire is wrapped around the iron nail in the form of a coil. So your electromagnet coil is ready now. Now you have to make circuit connection as shown. This is just a simple connections of different components. So you can see the battery is connected with the one end of plug key, the other end of plug key is connected with one end of coil, and the second end of coil is connected with the battery. Make sure that the key is not in inserted position, and if you are using switch, then the switch should be in off position. Now let us understand the circuit once again. Here you can see the battery is connected with the plug key. Plug key is further connected with the coil wire, and the other end of coil wire is connected to the battery. So this completes the circuit. Now you have to simply insert the key or switch on the switch and observe the clinging of all pins to this iron nail. Now as soon as you switch it on, you can see immediately that the pins are getting attached to the electromagnetic coil. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, wonderful. So what are the results of this activity? Pins get attached to the coil on passing current through it. On removing key or switching off, the current supply is stopped and the pins get detached. So from this experiment, what you have learned? Point 1. A current carrying coil of wire wrapped around iron is called electromagnet. So what is electromagnet? A current carrying coil of wire wrapped around iron nail is called electromagnet. Point 2. A coil behaves like a magnet when electric current flows through it. It means that it will behave like magnet only when an electric current flows through it. And point number 3, when the current is switched off, the coil generally loses its magnetism. Now here you can see different kind of sample coils which are available in the market. From this we can understand that by increasing the number of wire wrapped around any iron piece, the strength of electromagnetic is increased. So these two are easily available in the market for performing experiments, and these are the coil which are prepared by us for experimenting. Now let us check the important discoveries by various scientists in the field of electromagnet. Hans Christian Ørsted was the first person who explained that there is a relationship between current and magnet. After that, William Sturgeon developed a kind of horseshoe magnet. You can see here, this is a magnet on which the wire is wrapped around. And Joseph Henry further made powerful electromagnets by increasing the number of coil wrapped around the iron nail. You can see this is very powerful magnet. Now let us understand what are the real life application of electromagnet. Nowadays, electromagnets are used in most of the appliances. Here you can see this is an electric motor. So in motor also we use electromagnet. This is induction heating. Here you can see these are the electromagnets. Magnetic locks, industrial lifts, magnetic levitation. Let's see what more appliances are there. Electric bell or doorbell. Here you can see the electromagnets. Solenoid valves. This here you can see the electromagnet. Relay. It is just like a switch. You can see the magnet, electromagnet. MRI machines has huge electromagnets. Generator. It has electromagnets. Speakers. You can see this is the electromagnet. Data storage device. This also contains electromagnet. So from this so many devices you can understand that electromagnet is being used in almost all the appliances, small appliances and bigger appliances. Now let us understand in which class you are going to study about electromagnet. You study electromagnet in grade 7 in chapter Electric Current and its Effect or Electromagnetism. Now this is an experiment, exactly the same experiment which you have performed right now. So in a way, you are learning things and you are covering your syllabus as well. I hope you had great fun in learning in doing this experiment. For next 1 week, I want you to observe electromagnets in various appliances around you. Keep experimenting and enjoy this new way of learning science practically. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.